Hi, good morning, Vieira with stockmarketlive.de. So today I have a live market call for all subscribers following my real-time guidance in the markets, in particular in this company Illumina. Strong sell rating announced here, twice, $187, although in fact the strong sell rating was given at a higher price. You had all of you the opportunity to do it, that is to say, to assume a very large short position on stock, not for day trading, not for short-term trading, and with a very specific conservative price target, $120. So today you have a price below $120. I recommend to reduce the size of the short position, or if you wish, you can close entirely the short position. I remind you that 1 month ago, or even less, you had Illumina a gap to downside, announcing earnings, and I was adding to the short side at $147. Since $147, my friends, all the way down to 120, you had plenty of time, and the ratio was favorable to, or remained very favorable to, the short side. All right, so I added to the short side in Illumina. I already had a short position. And I told you that even if you didn't have a short position for earnings in Illumina, you had the opportunity to enter one around precisely that price, $147. A very large one, obviously. So my project is done for the rest of 2016 in Illumina. If you wish to maintain a short position, it is up to you. As I said before, the only thing that you have to do is to manage efficiently your trailing stops, and for that matter I disclosed here, or I described or explained the game in more than 100 companies, and you have the rules in the basic training course. On the long side you had plenty of stock picks, and 2016 constitutes our best year ever in the markets. And for example, today you have new highs in a company, Deutsche Bank, which I already addressed today, complimentary live stream session. I announced here the bottom, also a specific price target in Deutsche Bank. We had a junk rating in Deutsche Bank for a long period of time, downgraded on strong sell, $71 as you are aware, and thereafter upgrading only once shares they got to $11.60. When Deutsche Bank made the news worldwide on TV, and therefore using that opportunity to closing entirely the short position for the first time in Deutsche Bank, reversing to the long side. So you have plenty of picks on the long side, you had picks on the short side, all of them proven here live on the tape, risk-free investments for the long-term investors, without the need to day trade or short-term trade, and also giving you here the absolute bottom in stocks, the absolute top in stocks. And if you have questions how to predict stock prices, you have the confirmation or the proof of it on thousands of case studies in the past 27 years. And you have the case of Apple live earnings, where I disclosed and announced precisely the very top and what we were expecting. Also how to make millions of dollars on the short side with a very specific price target, 104 and a half. And therefore, my friends, I don't see any risk whatsoever, no surprise whatsoever in the markets. Everything has been according to our projections. You have here stock picks 450% on the long side, the case of US Steel, that today you have new all-time highs, $37. The case of AKS Steel, which I already also addressed, more than 1000% return on investment. So my friends, I repeat, I don't see any surprise in the stock market, investing at the very bottom, then selling when everyone else is buying. In some cases even reversing to the short side, and shares they collapse again, which it is important because it maximizes your return on investment. Today a very important case of a new 52-week high in Western Digital. So if you have questions, refer to our articles and my upgrade to strong buy at $40 which is very important because I told you that it was a priority on the long side. And even I said that the case of Western Digital to be very similar to my call that I made a long time ago in wine resorts. And therefore, my friends, I repeat, I don't see any surprise whatsoever. You have just the need for one stock pick for you to become a millionaire. You just have to choose, and that's all, okay? So my call today, or what I wanted to say here, is the case of Illumina, that my project is terminated, and I wish you good luck investing going forward, all right? And bear in mind that I've always been here when it was or it has been necessary, announcing when to enter the short side, when to sell shares, when to close short positions. And meanwhile, you don't have to do anything. That is, you can go on holidays. You don't need to be here. I don't see the need, my friend, but it is up to you. Bye bye. Thank you.